I am here at 3805 Durnberry in Forest Creek. The sellers just did a new repaint. So let's check out and see how it looks. They lightened it up quite a bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Looks really, really good. Lightening up the paint, especially, I mean, this house is already big, but it really makes it feel more grand. This looks good. Let's go take a tour. Plantation shutters in the front. We have this dining area here. It could be also a flex space. And then here we have it as a bedroom, but it also could be a study. Has its own closet. Here is the primary. Again, wood floors. Continue to the kitchen. You'll notice the archways, and then the ceiling in here is really tall. Nice open bar area for plenty of seating. The pool is right outside this door. It's multi-leveled, meaning the patio, and then it lowers down into the pool area as you walk. So I'll show that off next. Upstairs, you have 4 bedrooms, plus a game room. This is an extra room in addition to the game room. Full bath right here. Big bedrooms. The other side has the 4th bedroom plus the big game room. Just all kinds of space. What you could do here, you could even probably wall this off, make this like a different wing for multi-generational use. And this room is really big. So big spaces, lots of choices here. Come on by.